Hey you guys, don't mind my hair because I look a hot mess. But I just wanted to start the routine with you guys. We're gonna be doing the Athia. Stuff is like all over the place. Okay, so I really feel that I'm gonna start with the mask because I don't see the purpose in putting a mask on after you do a cleanse. I think I should do the mask and then do the cleanse. That's just the way I feel it should work. So we're gonna start with the mask. And remember, this mask is an ultra hydrating detoxing mask. So, all these pores right here. All this, all this right here. Yeah. And intensifying, moisturizing, collagen boosting. I wish I got collagen boosting from my eyeballs or whatever. And all the good stuff. So you tear the sachet open, remove the sheet, and you're supposed to do this 1 to 2 times a week. Not every day. So yeah, tear the sachet open, remove the sheet, unfold, and remove outer protection covering front and back. Apply to face, smooth out over the hand, and wear it for 10 to 20 minutes. 10 to 20 minutes. I'm supposed to be going somewhere. I should have really did this earlier, but it's okay. We got an extra 20 minutes we're gonna have to say. Okay, massage any remaining serum to the skin and neck. Okay, so maybe I should cleanse first because you gotta rinse this off. Okay. Because you only do that once a week. No, I think I'm right about doing this first. And then do a cleanse. And then dry. So yes, rip open. Oops. And it has a lot of stuff in it. Ew, look at the gooiness. Ooh. Alina, you want to come watch me do this? Come here. I think my sister should watch me, guys. Come watch me do this.
What's that?
This is the mask I got.
What's it for?
Ew, look at all that gooiness.
Ew.
Yeah. Ew. That's right.
So you stick it to your face?
Yes. Ew. Make sure you remove those 2 things. Okay, now. Oh my God, this looks so scary. Ugh. Okay, well. Not everybody's face is like the same, obviously. But, oh, this is cold. Ooh, I do feel, maybe mommy needs to do this too. I do feel something.
What's that for?
It's supposed to hydrate. It definitely is going to hydrate. And I smell a little coconut. But it's definitely going to hydrate. But it's supposed to hydrate. Oh my gosh, somebody just called and interrupted my video. I really hope that you guys got to see that part. But I'm trying to get it all over my nose. Because my nose be needing this. My nose definitely be needing and I'm just gonna, because I need it right here too. I'm just gonna rub that down on there. Ooh. Oh yeah. My sister would like this too. Imani? This is Imani's type of thing right here. How look?
Okay.
Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Okay. You think mommy need to do this too?
Yeah.
Yeah, mommy needs some mask in her life. Ask Mommy if she want a face mask.
Mom?
Okay.
She said, yeah, I'm coming.
Okay. Alright, guys. Me. Really? I will be back when I try. Okay. Weena? Go this way. Ooh. Go this way. Right here. Ooh, there's like all this extra gooiness in here. I feel like I should be a part of the goo. I feel like my body needs all. Look at all that extraness. No, you can sit right here. Weena? Come here, baby. Oh, yeah. Look at that. We need all. Ooh, I didn't even get it in my mouth. Okay, I need all the goo. Here, throw this way. And keep bringing the paper towel. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay, now we gotta get Mommy. Ooh. We gonna hold that. My mother needs all that. Don't spill nothing.
You see my mother needs all that.
You need all the extra goo in your life. Hold your head back. Head back.
My head is back.
She needs all that right there.
Wash my eyes.
Probably help your eyes.
Probably does. Smells good.
Coconut. Talking about coconut stick. It does not stick.
You know what? Precious, come on now.
I gotta get it all in your thing. No, what are you doing?
Put something. I want to open my eyes in my
You're
eyes.
not supposed to open your eyes. God, you don't want to get a facial. You're going to call yourself a damn princess. You don't want to
Shut up.
get it all down there. Here. 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 Okay.
I am embracing my blackness. Hush.
Oh, God. Y'all don't mind what she just said. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you how to open it. You open it. It's, okay, look. Just fold it like that. You open it up. You open it up. Until you see some eyeballs in the nose and stuff. This comes off the front. Oh, wait. That comes off the back. I'm trying to get the thing off the front. There we go. There you go. Be careful so you don't rip it. Okay. Once you get it out, it's all open. Push that back. Need that right under here, and there, and there. Try to get it low so it's not in your eyeballs. God, you got such a...
You better not say it. You better not say it. You see?
Look at that. Okay, I don't know if it's gonna stay properly. She just so like...
See, guys, don't listen to her.
Hold your head back.
My head is back. How much color if you want to hear my head back? You know what, Hershey? Sure.
Alexa, start a timer.
Timer for how long?
20 minutes.
20 minutes. Starting now.
Okay, hold your head up. Okay, guys, she's done. Okay. It doesn't stay long around the nose. I feel like I have to keep rubbing this on. Okay, we'll be back when it's time to take it off. Peace. Alexa, stop. Okay. I'm back, you guys. And as you see, it just kept popping up. But let's take it off. Yeah. I don't see any dirt or anything on there like that. I mean, I don't see no dirt or nothing. Did it really clean properly? I don't know. I'm getting ready to go wash my face with the facial cleanse. Okay, let's go. All these in the bathroom so we can do the facial cleanse. Let's see. I hope it stays. Okay, there we go. Hope you guys can see me. Alright, now I'm going to do the facial cleanse. I should kind of do it like any other facial cleanse. Cleansers, blemishes. Okay. Facial cleanse. I'm just gonna there we go. It took a minute to come out. Gotta pump for a while. Now, let me show you guys. I don't even know if you can see this. I wish I would have switched my camera. But there is like literally gold flakes in there. Okay, let me put this back down. Okay. Break it. Look at, there's like little gold flakes. You guys are not even able to see it, and that sucks. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put you right here.
There's like little gold flakes in it, which I'll discuss that in a minute. I just want to get I always do my eyebrows and stuff really good. I wanted to show you guys.
How's it feel, Mom?
It feels good. Refreshed. My face feels refreshed. It's tightened up my face a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Say bye.